Yeah, there's a bump in there, so I've got to be careful when I open this. That could be a puppy, couldn't it? Ouch. It could be a puppy. No holes in the box. Oh. Really hope it's not a puppy now. Hey! Now I was only talking to my mate the other day about gloves. It's like this is like a goodie box. This is a brilliant box, eh? He sent me all the junk he don't want. No, I'm joking. He's unbelievable. Some nice latex gloves. Wow. I'm going to have to start wearing these, aren't I? This is a surprise box. I bought 20 of these the other day. I've got Sharpies everywhere. This is a surprise box for me from Addict. Although Ben's not very good at keeping secrets, and he did tell me I had a box coming. I never imagined, Ben, it would be a box this big, my God. Now, Ben's a very generous person, and as soon as he heard that Magdad, 357 Magdad, was doing the charity giveaway, Ben went straight on and bought the stickers off of his site. That's brilliant. Ben's fantastic. Oh, I'm a bit lost for words, Ben, because you told me I had a spanner coming. You told me I had a spanner. There's the spanner, and all the rest of this is amazing. I might have to stop the video and have a little cry. Right, I'm back from my cry now. What's this? This is one of them. One of them fibre wheels. Hey. Leather gloves. Smell these. This one. Wow. And I was just going to buy some new gloves. And you can never have enough sanding discs. Oh, I'm a bit lost for words, Ben. Thank you. I might have to have another cry. Hang on. Wow, that's amazing. Ben, I'm gonna put a link at the end of the video and send you all my subscribers, both of them. Thank you, Ben. Okay, emotional moment over. I shall move on to this one. Again, don't know what's in them. Could be. Oh, fuck, that's getting dangerous. So what we got in here is Stanley 1998, an orange one. Oh, a Spiralux. They're not Stanley, are they? It's a longer Stanley knife. What we got one from? This one is a very interesting. Look at that. That's a good design, isn't it? This is made by the blank Stanley. Might be a Stanley. Have to look into them. And then another one with a bit missing. And that's not a Stanley. I'm good here, aren't I? And that's not a Stanley. So I've got a Stanley knife. Out of them 6 Stanley knives, one's a Stanley knife. Well, I'm not as happy as I thought with that one. Okay, this is a can of paint, I believe. Can of paint. Alright, that's so the other day I showed you my Colombian Vice and asked for colours, and the colour it's going is hammered blue. I think 3 different people said hammered blue, so and I've got one more here to open. Not much come today. I don't know what's going on. Nothing seems to be getting delivered. A proper camera tripod. stick the phone in this, and quality should improve a little bit on my videos, just a bit. So now with my professional camera system, I'll move that along to there. I might. I can do a proper zoom now, I think, yeah. So, if I could have your guesses on this, please. And I'd like to thank Ben again. Everything you sent, that was fantastic. And if you remember the little Elora wrench that come the other day, I'd give it on the wire wheel and it shined up like this. But I thought it was still needing a bit of blue. So yeah, I've got this one as well. Nice big. That's a 12-inch one. This gorgeous jackdaw that Ben sent me. I prefer the older Garringtons that says "the" in front of the bird's name. The jackdaw. Both of these jackdaws exactly the same shape, even though one's got "the" and one hasn't. Okay, and for the results for the guess the price, the spanners were £15. Well done to Nick H. And this, the little tiny 4-inch footprint, that was £5 and £1 postage. So £6 in total, and the closest guess was Ben from Tool Addict, who said £7.50. So well done, Ben. Okay, that's all for now. Bye for today. Thanks for watching.